Hi everybody, today I'm with Ubika. For over 20 years, they've been specialized in protecting website and web application from hackers and attackers. Their solution work anywhere your apps are, in the cloud, in your data center. That's the best part. They make powerful security surprisingly simple to manage. This is something I like. And today with me from Ubika, I have Joseph that's going to help us go through a little bit of the demonstration and an overview of the solution. Hi, Joseph.
Hello, Alex. Thanks for having me, and hello, everyone. So it's actually a pleasure to have you today. Like Alex just rightly said it, we have a solution that is very simple to put in place and very simple to manage. And this is thanks to our workflow principle. So just think of a WAF, web application file, like a smart checkpoint security, right? Where all the traffic has to go through your website. And so managing this checkpoint should be very easy, right? So with Ubika, it actually is. And instead of doing what the other people are doing, like, complicated strings of code, what we do is that we parameter our security policy with a very graphical and visual workflow principle, okay? And so you can see exactly how all your applications are being handled at one glance. And so, for example, to create a security rules, let's say we take the case of blocking a country that is ranked highly at risk, right? What we do is that we do a simple drag and drop. I'm going to show you very shortly how we did that.
Yeah, I want to see.
So,
go ahead. I want to see how
this
it works.
This is very simple and very robust approach. That means you have a strong security and without all the complexity, and that reduces what we call all the errors and all the saving you some time. So let's dive into an example. So right now you see on the screen, this is what we call a workflow principle. There's just this diagram you see with the start where the traffic is coming through. So you go on the right side and you look for an attribute. So we're looking here for Joe location because we're going to block the traffic from a specific country. And we found Joe location. We drag and drop, and then we move the arrow to include this new attribute, and we get into it. We do a customization by, for example, here we're going to block all traffic coming from FR, that is France.
Oh yeah, dangerous country.
Yes, very dangerous country. And then you do apply, you save, and once this is going to be saved, let's say instantly you're going to have this new security policy in force, meaning that all the users who will be trying to connect to your web application, your website coming from FR, they will be automatically blocked. It's as simple as that. We can see right now that if we try again to connect to your website coming from an FR geolocation, this is going to be blocked.
Nice. Yeah, so basically the traffic, just move an arrow to the filter you want and poof, the filter is applied. And can you add as many as you want?
You can customize it as many as you want. Sky's the limit. So nice. You can, here we just took an example with the geolocation to show you how easy it is, but you can do other things. You can bring other attributes. You can bring other customization rule that you want. But all of this is going to be based on the same workflow principle. There's no coding. There's no regex, nothing. Very simple. It's very easy to use.
Yeah, so this is like for the technician don't want to break their head because, I'm a Linux guy. When you say regex, I'm like, what? You want to rule regex out? I like regex, but I guess for the SMBs, they don't want to play with that and they don't want to waste time. So this is a really visual approach for that.
Exactly. So that's all about it. If your organization is looking for an application, let's say security, that is powerful, easy to use, Ubika is here. So we're supporting businesses already in Canada, and we want you guys to be looking out for our next video where we'll be showing you how we can handle, let's say, most common security challenges. Thank you very much for having us.
Thank you, Joseph, and glad to know you have people around here in Quebec as well. So thank you. See you for the next one. Have a great day, people.
Thank you very much. You have a good day, Alex. Thanks, everyone. Bye-bye.